The biggest players in tech are investing millions into one AI startup that is set out to do the impossible, and that is dethroning Google. It's called Perplexity AI, and here is why it's awesome. Let's start with a simple question. Is MSG actually bad for you? Now, the first thing you'll notice here is that this is flippin' fast. Everything you see is in real time. The second thing is how it gives its answer. It found 5 sources on the topic, all of which seem pretty legit, and it's summarizing everything for us in a few paragraphs. It creates clickable links whenever a source is used, and I think this alone is super important for making AI trustworthy and understandable. If you want to add images or videos to the results, that's just one click away. And if the first answer isn't good enough, you can always click rewrite to change the underlying AI model, or you can turn on what's called Copilot, which basically puts this whole thing on steroids. It will search way more sources, it will ask you clarifying questions as needed, and it will consider your personal profile, which is much more than ChatGPT's custom instructions. Plus, you can ask it unlimited follow-up questions, and it remembers the entire conversation. And since conjuring up the right question can be a bit perplexing, they do the thinking for you with these suggestions. Their mobile app is also on par with the rest of them, and honestly, they have one of the best widgets I've ever seen, allowing you to ask questions with your voice in a click of a button.